I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Queen Chikon Dotto and her life. I'm Chikon Dotto and here I am doing traveling videos and product review and product haul, and today I'll be talking about Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact, and it will be my first impression. I never used this banana powder before, and I bought this product from Sugar Cosmetics, that is www.sugarcosmetics.com on their website, and there was a sale going on that if you buy any 3 sugar product you will get it for 12.99 rupees, that is 1300. And I bought this other 2 product, that is Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade of Red Zeppelin, and Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade of Cherry Darling. And it comes in this pouch. It is waterproof Ziploc pouch, and yeah, I quite like this pouch. It is very much travel friendly also, and with the sugar logo here. I quite like this pouch. Let's talk about the outer packaging of this product. It comes in this Sugar Signature cardboard box, and the price of this product is 5.99 for 6 gram, and it is written that it is cruelty free product, it is paraben free product, and so it will not be harmful in skin, and it has a shelf life of 3 years, so you can definitely have much time to use this product, and it is manufactured in India. Let's talk about the inner packaging of this product. It comes in this black box, and I quite like this packaging, and here is the Sugar logo, and it looks so much classy, and yeah, it's look very much elegant, and I quite like this packaging. And if you open this, there is a mirror, and here is the product. And if you open this one, and there is a separate space for this applicator, and I use this applicator for the demo part of this product. And so let's move on to the application of this product, and the quality of this sponge is very good. You can see that it is an unused product. Today I am going to apply this powder with the help of the applicator which was provided by the company. You can use your own tools to apply this powder. It claims that it has the color correcting formula which helps to even out the skin tone, and it has silica which controls the shine of face, and it has Rosa Casina oil which provides hydration. Let's see how this powder works on my face. Today I am going to apply this powder to bake my face. Personally, I do not like to bake my face as it makes my face more dry. I am applying a good amount of powder under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and under my contouring, and on the high points of my face. If you guys do not know what is the meaning of baking the face, baking is a procedure to make your high points highlighted. It also covers the dark circle, and I have a very prominent dark circle. This product has a very good quality mirror, and the powder will set into the skin within 10 minutes. Right now I am looking pretty bad. I am waiting another 10 minutes for absorbing the powder into my face. And in between I will drink my tea. Now the 10 minutes is over. I am going to dust off the excess powder with the help of this brush. Today I did not use any other concealer. I only did my base makeup, and I can clearly see that it covers my dark circle pretty well. It removes the excess oil as it claims, and it really helps to even out the skin tone. Powder perfectly goes for the oily skin people and normal skin people as well. But dry skin people need to moisturize face very well before applying this powder. This product gives a natural matte finish to my face, and I am quite liking this product. And this powder is lightweight, so you cannot feel that you put on so much makeup onto your face. Today I am wearing Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick shade number 10 Cherry Darling, and I did a review of this lipstick at Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick, and I will provide the link on my description box below and on the I button. There was a proper detailing of this lipstick, so please do check that out. It definitely highlighted my high end points, as you all can see. lift up my cheeks very well and give a sharp effect of contouring. There is a small difference between banana powder and translucent powder. Translucent powder has no color into it and banana powder has a very good yellow tone, just like the name of banana. And it is more suitable for the Indian skin tone people, as we Indian are more into of yellow tone, so it is perfectly suitable for the Indian skin tone people. And if you use excess amount of banana powder, it will not give a flashback, but if you use excess amount of translucent powder, it will definitely give a flashback. Like, you know guys, that I only like those products which do not flashback, so for me it's a perfect buy and I never regret of buying this product. And it just removes the excess oil from the face and it gives a perfect matte look into my face, and that's why I love this product so much. And this is my first impression and I just quite like this product and I never regret of buying this product, and I just love this product. And I love all of the Sugar product, and Sugar product is very much affordable and it is perfectly suitable for the Indian skin tone, and this specially made all of their product for the Indian skin tone people. This product is specially made for the all skin type people, and if you have a very oily skin, then you can definitely use this product to reduce the excess oil from the face. And as I have a very dry skin, so I do moisturize my face before applying this powder, and if you have very dry skin, then you can do moisturize your face very well before applying this powder. If you found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and press the bell notification so you will be notified every time when I upload a new video. And keep supporting and keep loving me and my channel. Your support and love means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, tada, bye bye, take care, have a great day.